Hi, Grudy from Grudy's Racing Resto. On to the Oz Trike. Here we go. Pulled all the rear nudge bar off. Don't think it'd save you an accident, just stops people getting burnt. Right, loosened all the seat mount. I'm just snipping the huge amount of zip ties that hold all the wiring on. And I'll remove this. Good news, we've actually found, by the looks of it, through a Facebook site, turn this back around, yes. Through a Facebook site we've found flex plate and gear shift. I may actually purchase 2 flex plates because the gentleman Ben and his dad Tony, who sold us his gearbox, I'd like to find him a flex plate as well, because he has a Baja bug he wants me to do an auto conversion on. Now Ben, lovely lad, has cerebral palsy and can't use his left hand properly for changing gears with a manual, so Ben was kind enough to sell us the auto box for the Oz Trike, so I would like to find him another flex plate. Ben has a really, really nice early 60s ragtop auto Beetle that has been converted to auto from manual, and as anyone knows, it's always tight in the fork area with a V-dub. Now this, I've already done a little bit of measuring and I have an idea. It has to be stronger than what it is now, or match the strength of what we have now. This is a single tube. This is the issue. We have a single tube that runs all the way down the belly. So if I have to chop it, I have to gusset it, I have to make it stronger. But yeah, parts coming off. I'll do a short on once the seat mount's off and the tanks are all off, and I'll wrap everything up, put everything up on the top of the shelf. This is what we do. Take everything off, gets wrapped up, gets put in the shelf with all the other junk waiting to go back on. Here is 3 or 4 engines worth of parts. Excuse me. Here is my wrapped up E30 M3 carbon fibre door trims. Nice. But yeah, always got parts. Always got all sorts of weird shit laying around for future jobs, and parts off cars we pulled apart, and every 12 months we clear it out. If it doesn't sell, some of the stuff goes in the bin. Not much you can do about it. Oh, Joe's just been out for a ride on Itty Bitty.